Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the pitch, gain and speed of your audio recording on the Recorder Pro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, type in your password or use your Touch ID to open the app. Then you should select an audio recording that you would like to edit. So tap on the relevant one from your home page and click on the first option that you can find at the top. That's the first button. And then click on this second option, adjust, and first you need to adjust the pitch on this scale. Here you can see it's ranging from minus 2,400 to plus 2,400. So select it here, and in order to check out how it sounds, tap on the start button down below and you can see how it changes. After that, you can also select the gain and the speed too. So if you are done with all these information or these functions, edit, tap on the adjust button, and then you will be able to finish this process if you have started your free trial on the app or if you are subscribed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.